Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful day here in Chicago. It is shiny and bright. It's blue sky. We're going to see 60 degrees allegedly here in Chicago. So I brought the Carlsbad weather back with me. So we went from bad weather to Carlsbad weather. Get it? What do you think? No? All right, well, they're not all winners, folks. So, you know what is a winner is this morning is the S&P 500. They like that the bank capitalization stuff, the fact that a lot of these banks might be able to do some div rolls, and they really shrugged off those retail sales numbers. And in fact, the numbers continue to point toward, there's some good reasons for the market to be higher. I think that, all that talk of Fed, I think has been overblown and continues to be overblown. Today's the day where we all realize, oh, well, maybe it's not a big deal. They love doing that. Let's run fear up, all right? And then once we get rates low and whatever, let's jack up rates right back, right lower again, and show people what volatility can really do and how cheap it, and make it cheap again. And that's really what you're seeing. Although you can see for how big of an upside move, VIX is holding up. Okay, we've got an 18-handle rally. We've got a VIX still holding over 16. Well, again, makes some sense. We continue to get kind of the the 1%, 0.75% movement over the last week. That should be enough to keep things moving around. All right, and that's what it all comes down to. All right, it absolutely should. With that, you see a little recovery in Apple after what amounted to kind of an ugly day yesterday. Huge pop in the banks. Take a look at Goldman, a name we were watching for, a potentially cheap time spread with Citi. And boy, are we glad we didn't do that one. We were looking at the 53 time spread, and you can see that Citi is made a massive move. So I suppose that was a smart decision to stay out of that one. But all the banks are popping. The one that we looked at that would have been really effective was the J.P. Morgan. We had looked at the J.P. Morgan 61 call spread yesterday. The March 13, March 27, 61 call spread for I think 30 cents, and it's now 60. So that was the one we liked the best, and that is the one that is up the most, the only one that's up money. So kind of interesting there. Shake Shack back down to 42 after getting rallied for no reason. That is a junk company. All right, that is a junk company. And then, like I said, rates continue to move across the board. Everything's up. XLF is by far the big leader. XLF is the big leader here, up 1.5%. But there's kind of strength across the board. All right, and then again, strength in VIX, some real strength in VIX, and that just be aware of what's going on there. And I think you'll see the VIX above 15 through next Wednesday. It's just there's no way, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But we are seeing a real relaxing in the futures price. So the March future is now going to track the VIX contract, the VIX cash, pretty close to 1-to-1. It expires in 3 trading days and a wake up. So they are not unrelated, but you can see that April is still above 18. So there's still some volatility priced into the market. I mean, plenty relative to, we're in a medium market. VIX is normal. 16% is normal volatility. All right, it's not low. It is not high. All right. So on the day, I'm guessing we rally throughout the day. We'll probably end up 20, 25, and then we'll see where we go from here. All right. On that note, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon. You got questions, you can email me, marketoption.com. You can call me, 888-TRADE-01. Talk to you soon.